super good. So, let's start it. My son and I just moved into a town, and we didn't know the place, and we came from outside the city, meaning that when we came, it was a giant rain and thunderstorm, and my son was so happy because he hadn't seen thunder before. So I just drove the car carefully, and so he could enjoy the thunder even more. And then when we came to our new home, I told him to go to bed, and that was it of that day. The next day, he came to me and was fascinated by the thunder. Said that was all that he could dream about, and I felt so happy for him. But then something strange happened. He told me a few weeks further that yes, there was still thunder outside his window. He usually told me, but that was strange because the thunder was gone. It was only there the first day we came in. So I told him that it must have been a good dream then for you. Then, even like a month later, I read in the news that a sexual predator was taking pictures of boys with flash photography, and he hadn't been arrested yet because when the police came in, they didn't find him. And then the next day, my son came to me and said, Dad, there was no more lightning at my window. I said to him, good, it must have died down, or was it gone, or did you have a better dream? He just told me, no, it's in my closet. We moved out. I still haven't heard from the report, but I have seen what happened to that man. And then the name came up when he was arrested for both murder and for these sexual charges. The man that took pictures of my son was no other than the Milwaukee Canibal. And I thank God that he's dead, and pray that he never comes back.